A Colombian court has found the country's former president Álvaro Uribe guilty of witness tampering. Uribe, who served as president from 2002 to 2010, was convicted on Monday of trying to persuade witnesses to lie for him in a separate investigation, and the prosecutor is asking for a 9-year prison sentence. The case dates back to 2012, when Uribe accused the left-wing Senator Iván Cepeda of hatching a plot to falsely link him to right-wing paramilitary groups of the country. The court decided against prosecuting Cepeda and pursued his claims against Uribe, who becomes Colombia's first ever former head of state to be convicted of a crime. And let's go over some of the reactions in the social networks to this historic verdict against Álvaro Uribe. Senator for the Historical Pact, María José Pizarro Rodríguez, stated that the Colombian justice system has found former President Uribe guilty. And not only that, the women who participated in the trial made history by upholding the name of the judiciary without allowing themselves to be intimidated. Then she continued by highlighting that after taking this huge step, it is now up to the justice system to thoroughly investigate the allegations made by Juan Guillermo Monsalve decades ago, the role of the Uribe Vélez family in the formation of the paramilitary group Bloc Metro, in the massacres of El Aro and La Granja, and in the murder of Jesús María Valle, among hundreds of other serious human rights violations. Presidential pre-candidate Camilo Romero stated that today is a historic day for Colombia. Álvaro Uribe is now history. From the beginning until today, he has practiced politics through deception, fear, and attacks on democracy. That will be his legacy. Beyond the meaning of the ruling, Uribe has already been condemned by history, 6,402 false positives. Justicia Política does, and this is all linked to paramilitarism, agro-income, security, witnesses strangely dead or missing. For their part, the Organization of Mothers of False Positives of Colombia stated that justice is slow, but it will come, even though some of the most powerful people in the country are doing everything they can to cover up for the warlord. With signs reading "Prison for Uribe," demonstrators rallied in front of the Colombian Court of Justice, where the judge read the verdict on former President Álvaro Uribe's case.
Today, we are demanding a guilty verdict from the judge. The evidence is overwhelming, and the lawyers and victims have clearly shown the extent of the permanent and systematic human rights violations that have occurred.